guys, and you know, I started out doing so it's like 10 10 and a quarter by like 5, almost 5.5, and I really didn't intend to make this what it was. I was just making like a giant trifold like tag, and then I'm like, you know what, this would be cool to put some pages in it and make it a traveler's journal, I think is what they call it. So I took some vintage book pages and I cut them out, and then I put some other vintage pages on it and decoupaged things on it. And so this whole trifold is actually a big advertisement that came in the mail, and it's pretty thick. And so that's what I originally did, was just to make like a trifold little pocket. But then I decided to sew in and add pages to it. So so I added this on the first page, and here is a Monopoly card. And then I made a tag here. And so this just tucks in this little space here. And then there's some space down here. And then the first section of this trifold are some, let me move this, are some, you know, these are just book pages from children's books. And, you know, some scrapping paper. This is Kool-Aid dyed paper, and some music paper, and of course this is the other side, and then this is the other side of the children's book. Okay, and then this is the flap of the next page, so you can kind of see the 3 pages. So there's the 3 flaps there. In the middle, I added this. And then this is the back page, and I put a pocket on it. This is, you know, like a flashcard. And then I made another tag here, and then this is just some vintage. This is actually like the first page, or the inside of a children's book that I took out. I just thought it was cute. Okay, so now the second section, or second signature of it, some paper. And some more paper, and some cello, and this is a book page that folds out, and then this is a book page, and again that folds out that way, and that folds out, and then there's an envelope in the middle. I put a little card in there, stamp that, and again this is a page. And then this is the other side of the cello. And there. So, yeah, this is what I did. So, like, I didn't intentionally start out to make a traveler's notebook. And then here's the back of the middle page. And it's just a tuck spot. And I tucked in this little maze here. And then the back is all done with the same corresponding children's book here, and I just aged it up and decoupaged it, and then I just tied on this ribbon. So yeah, so let me know what you think, and if this would be considered a traveler's notebook. And yeah, so this would be something you could tuck in your purse or your bag and you go traveling, or a great gift to give a friend. So yeah, appreciate your comments and let me know, and hope everyone's well. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.